Today, Apple is one of the most innovative and one of the biggest companies all around the world, creating revolutionary products. But it was started by two high school graduates, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, who just completed their high school and wanted to create a computer which will be helpful for a lot of people. So Steve Wozniak came up with the idea of Apple One, and then they took funding and started their company. Apple is one of the biggest company all around the world, and there are a lot of things which people do not know about. So today we are going to analyze the 5 facts which you do not know about Apple. Apple's logo is one of the biggest thing which makes it stand out, and Apple logo has created so much buzz around this that people buy their products just for this logo. So this is the value which this logo has created. But a lot of people do not know that the first logo had the picture of Sir Isaac Newton on it. So this is a fact which a lot of people do not know, and you can always tell them about this. Steve Wozniak is one of the biggest and one of the most revolutionary engineers all around the world, but Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak had a great problem starting out their company because they did not had a lot of money, because a lot of high school children do not have a lot of money. So Steve Wozniak, for the sake of their dream and for the sake of their company, he sold his most valuable thing, which was the scientific calculator, to raise money for their first product.
I had been working my whole life to build a certain type of computer for myself, and I just built the best one that was doable in that day with the particular components available, etc. And in that sense, it wasn't like an intelligence that can lead you towards the right path. It was just being very free. I had the freedom because I was only doing it for myself. It was not a company project where a manager defined what had to be done. So I was lucky to be able to do what I did.
Steve Jobs was kicked out from his own company which he founded, Apple, because he had a lot of issues with its CEO, Mr. John Sculley. Steve has himself appointed John Sculley as the CEO of Apple, but there are a lot of issues between them which automatically led to the kicking out of Steve Jobs from Apple. But Steve Jobs came back with double force, and he was the man of the year in the according to the Fortune magazine. Starting out two companies, both Next and Pixar, created a lot of value among people, and then Steve Jobs was back with a bang, and Steve Jobs was again the CEO of Apple. Everyone knows about the relationship between Steve Jobs and Bill Gates, as Bill Gates stole Steve's computer.
It's a blatant ripoff.
Which led to a big tech war between both of the giants, as both were claiming to be the pioneers of the graphical user interface, and eventually Steve sued Bill Gates in court, and at the end Steve Jobs all won the battle, but Microsoft has already started making its product. So Steve was very angry, and
I'm gonna sue you for every cent that you have ever made. And I will make it my life's mission to see to it that you never, ever make another dollar that I don't first take 90 cents.
the biggest criticism that Steve Jobs received in all his life was he abandoned his own child, which was Lisa Brennan Jobs, which he had from one of his past relationships. And Lisa also did not had a lot of kind words to say about Steve, but eventually in the end their relationship was made up back because Steve went back to Lisa and all those things happening. But Steve Jobs at first refused to be the father of Lisa Brennan Jobs, which was something horrible.
The equation that you came up with to prove that 28% of American men could be my father.
But this is our video about all the 5 facts which a lot of people do not know about Apple, or Steve Jobs or Steve Wozniak. So if you like the video, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you haven't done it yet, please do it. Please like, share and comment on this video if you like it. Thank you guys.